Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. So guys, when you open your App Store for downloading apps and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys, after this you need to open your App Store. And guys, after this you need to wait for its opening, and guys, when it's open, then guys, simply you need to click on your main profile and scroll it down. And guys, first of all you need to sign out your Apple ID from here, and guys, after signing out you need to go back. And guys, after this you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad, and guys, simply you need to open your Apple ID in this tab. And guys, after opening here you need to click on sign in and security. And guys, after this you need to click on change password, and guys, you need to change your password of your Apple ID. And guys, after changing your password you need to go back. And guys, the second method, you need to click on payment and shipping, and guys, you need to remove all the old payment method in your Apple ID. And guys, after doing this you need to scroll it down and click on media and purchases. And guys, after this simply you need to click on view account. And guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, after this here you need to put passcode of your Apple ID. And guys, after putting your passcode, simply you need to click on sign in. And guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, when next page open, then I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, wait for a few seconds. And guys, after this you need to click on country or region. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see page is on loading. So guys, after this you need to wait for its opening. So guys, here you can see simply you need to click on change country or region. And guys, after this here you need to select your country in which you live now. So guys, for example, I am selecting any country from here. And guys, after this you need to click on agree with terms and conditions. And guys, after this here you need to put your debit or credit card number, and guys, expiry date and CVV. So guys, if you have do not want to add any debit or credit card, simply you need to click on none. And guys, after this here you need to write your street address, postal code, and guys, city and town. And here is the option of number. So guys, you need to write your number here. And guys, after adding information, then guys, simply you need to go back. And guys, after going to back, you need to open your App Store again. And guys, you need to log in again your Apple ID in this App Store. So guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.